Homemade jam. I love to make it, but somehow I'm always left with much more than we'll ever need. Oatmeal jam bars are just one of the ways that I love to use up my homemade jam. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, then melt just over 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I melt just a little bit of extra butter because I like to use that to brush the parchment paper. I created for you a printable recipe that gives a detailed explanation on how to make these bars, and that's available below in the video description. Combine your dry ingredients with 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, a generous cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. In a larger bowl, combine a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, your melted butter, and 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. It usually takes a good 1 to 2 minutes to get these ingredients combined really well, so just be patient with it. Next, add the dry ingredients and gently stir until combined. Remove 3/4 the cup of the dough and set aside. Dump the remaining dough into your pan and spread out evenly. Use your hands to press the dough down, creating an even layer across the bottom of the pan. This does take some effort, but it will come together. Bake the bottom layer for about 10 minutes or until it's just slightly golden brown. Once out of the oven, you can go ahead and spread your jam across the top. It takes a 1/2 pint of jam, and I'm using the strawberry rhubarb jam from one of my previous videos, but you can use whatever jam you like. Crumble the remaining dough over the top of the jam and then return the bars to the oven for about 14 to 18 minutes or until the topping is a light golden brown. Once out of the oven, the bars need at least 20 minutes to cool so that they can firm up before cutting. This is one of my favorite recipes to make for groups or events because it comes together so quickly and easily, and it's easy to double if you need more bars. What are your favorite ways to cook with jam? If you have any go-to recipes for cooking with jam or preserves, please share them with me because I am always looking for ways to use up my jam. Let me know if you try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.